Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX. Today we will discuss how to update Windows and how to disable automatic update. So, let's begin the video. First of all, type to setting in the taskbar panel, or you can also open it using Start menu, then click to Setting option. Now, click to Update and Security option in the Windows settings. From this screen, you can download and install the latest version of Windows, or also you can update new patch that released recently. Kindly attention and look at that. It's a new update of Windows 10, click to download and install it. Now, the system taking some time for checking. So, running downloading, we just turn around to others option for update of Windows. If you enable of this option, then you get the notification on update. You can also customize the pause time of Windows update, or installation time of update file. Downloading in progress, it will take more time, so let's go to the service option. Now we will see how to disable automatic update in Windows. Now, type here to search for services option, and click at. Yes, this is the services option of Windows. Now, find out the Windows Update option. Yes, we got it. Kindly double click on this option. This is the advanced option of the update properties. Now, click on the startup type. In the drop-down list are automatic, manual and the disabled option. 1. If you click on the automatic option, then Windows will be updated automatically when the network is available. 2. If you select on the manual option, then it just shown notification, then you can update as your available time. And 3. Disabled option is the last one, and it will be disabled all the update setting of Windows. Kindly attention here, already the downloading in progress, so we don't stop it. If we do that, then we will facing some issues. After some times, Windows update and install has been completed. Yes, the system are up to date. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.